Welcome, Excel enthusiasts. Today, we're going to embark on a thrilling journey through the vast realm of data manipulation. Imagine yourself as a detective, equipped with the power to uncover hidden insights and reveal the truth lurking within your spreadsheets. Are you ready to become a master of filter? Alright, fellow data detectives, it's time to put our filtering skills to the test. Get ready to uncover the hidden treasures in your Excel data. Let's dive in. Launch Excel and open the workbook that contains the data you want to filter. Identify the range of cells that contain your data. You can click and drag to select a single column or multiple columns. With the data range selected, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the window. Locate the Sort and Filter section and click on the Filter button. Once you activate the filter, you'll see small drop-down arrows appear in the header row of each selected column. Click on the arrow of the column you want to filter. In the drop-down menu, you'll see a list of unique values present in that column. You can either select one or more specific values to filter or use search options like text filters, number filters, or date filters to apply specific conditions. Choose the criteria that match the data you want to include in the filtered results. After selecting the desired criteria, click the OK button, and Excel will filter the data based on your chosen criteria. The rows that don't meet the criteria will be temporarily hidden, allowing you to focus on the relevant data. Now that you have filtered the data, you can analyze the remaining rows and columns that meet your criteria. Perform calculations, create charts, or further manipulate the filtered data as needed. If you want to adjust the filter criteria or apply additional filters to other columns, repeat steps 4 to 7. To remove the filter and restore the complete dataset, go back to the Data tab and click on the Filter button again. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+L to disable the filtering feature. And that concludes our thrilling journey into the world of data filtering in Excel. You've now mastered the art of extracting valuable insights from your spreadsheets, filtering out the noise, and focusing on what truly matters. Congratulations! If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Excel tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, keep filtering, keep discovering, and keep unleashing the power of your data.